So today I'm going to show you a little interesting secret today that can help you to make money online. This is really easy to do. What I love about this is that you don't have to pay any money like all those websites where you have to pay to register and all that. I don't have time to be paying to register for anything. This is absolutely free, so that is why you should watch this video. All you need to do is make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. The reason you need to watch it all the way to the end is because every step is important. So I don't want you to skip an important step because you need to actually make sure that you make your money. Now this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are. If you're in Africa, Australia, Europe, Asia, South America, wherever you are, Africa, it doesn't matter. You can all get access to this opportunity. You can decide to do this on your phone or on your computer. It all depends on you. Now, before I show you this awesome method, please subscribe. Just click that red button that says subscribe. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay any money to subscribe. Just click subscribe. And turn on the post notification bell. Click that bell so that every time I have a new video, you will get a notification. So, the website you want to go onto is called Timebox. Timebox.com. So, Timebox is just a place where you can get paid to post on TikTok, view funny slideshows. You can get paid to play games. You can get paid to install apps. You can get paid to complete captures. You can get paid to post on Instagram. You can get paid to answer surveys. And you can actually get paid to watch videos, which I'm going to show you. So what you need to do is you need an account, a free account. It's free, don't worry. So you can either sign up with Facebook or you can sign up with your email address. Just put in your email address, your password, repeat your password, click on I'm not a robot and sign up now. You're going to receive a verification email from Timebox. Click on it to verify your account. So once you have your account, you'll see that they're going to give you a $1 bonus. So they give you a $1 bonus just for signing up. So if you're interested in just getting an extra $1 for free, just sign up on the Timebox and you get an extra $1 for free. So when you're on the dashboard, you want to click on earn. You're going to see earnings, earn, advertise ladder, payment, settings, chat, support. Click on earn because you want to earn money. When you click on earn, you're going to see different options: surveys, content, tasks, signups, TikTok, refer, offer walls, AliExpress, links, and so on. You want to come over here and click on content. When you click on content, you're going to see clicks, slideshows, captures, nightfall news, engage, push, click, search, and at the very bottom you will see videos. When you click on videos, you'll see different videos and amounts that you can make just for clicking on the video. You don't even have to watch the video itself. Just click on the video. The moment you click on it, you actually get this amount which will be added on into your total balance over here. So what will happen is you want to click on watch. When you click on watch, it's going to take you onto the video. So what you want to do is you want to click here. Make sure that the playback speed, it will usually be on normal. Click on 2 so that the video plays faster. So, and then in the quality, you want to click on the lowest quality, 144, so that it doesn't use up your internet. So that is one video. Then you will do this with the next video. Click on that and it will take you here, and you want to do the same thing. Playback speed on 2, make sure the quality is on the lowest. So as you can see, what I'm busy doing is I'm opening all these videos in different tabs. Opening all these videos in different tabs. So every time you click on a new video, you're actually going to be getting an extra amount that they actually provide here for you. So that's all you want to be doing. You just want to be clicking on watch. As you can see, you have already credited for this link, which means that I've already made money from watching that. Okay, so make sure you open all the videos in different tabs so that you can make more money for yourself. So the more you watch, as you can see, it's increasing. The earnings was on 6, now it's on 7, 8. It's gone up. So you get the picture of what I'm talking about. Now every single day there are many videos that you can watch. It might seem like a long process, but basically what you're doing is you're just clicking on the video. You don't even need to watch the video itself. You're just clicking on the video. The moment you click on it, they just want a view. They don't even want you to watch the video. The moment you just view the video, they already immediately add the money to your earnings. So now let me give you a better method that you can make money. You can click on surveys. So the moment you click on surveys, you will see that there are different kinds of surveys that you can do, which will pay you much more. 120. As you can see over here, the amounts are much better, and the surveys are not long. They're very short surveys which you can do every single day so that you can make more money for yourself. So you can spend time doing surveys which will add more money to your wallet over here. So one of the great methods to make money is when you actually click on refer. When you click on refer, you will see here you will get paid commission for anyone you refer to Timebox. We pay 15% commission on anyone you refer. That means if your referral earns $10, you will earn $1.50 commission. So the beauty about this is that, for example, this is my referral link over here. If you copy your link, then you decide to just go onto Twitter and just say, hey, there's this new website that you can go onto and watch videos and do surveys, do some tasks and make money. Because they clicked on your link to get onto the website, a moment they register, every single thing they do, you're gonna get 15% of it, which means that you don't basically have to do anything. Just refer maybe 100 people. Just put your link everywhere. Even if you get 10 people to actually register with your link, everything they do, all the videos that they're going to watch, all the surveys that they're going to do, everything they're going to do, you will get 15%. So you can easily make $50, $100 from people for basically doing nothing, because they are doing everything. So you can even comment down below in this video, comment down below your referral link, let people click on it, let people support each other, click on it. So I hope you get the picture of it all. So you can even go on Twitter, Facebook, wherever, on different forums on the internet, and just put your link and say, hey, there's this new website, Timebox. Click on it. You can make money for watching videos, for answering surveys, and people will be interested to see what you're talking about. So when they click on your link and they register, because the registration is free, they will actually be using it, and every time they use it, you're going to be making money. So that is a very awesome method that I love about this. So as you can see over here as well, you will earn 10% commission on any advertising funds that get deposited by any user. So if they deposit $100, you will get $10. So it's just a good thing if you just refer friends, refer people. Yeah, so that's basically what I wanted to show you. If you have any questions, please comment your questions down below in the comment section. Like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Click subscribe, it's free. And turn on the notification bell so that you receive a notification when I upload my new videos. And go onto my playlist. I have a playlist that can help you to make money online. There are different videos that you can watch that can help you to make more money online. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this really helps you, and cheers.